Mm. Are you ready to learn again? Okay, very good. So, what was the last topic we had? Grammar. I'm sorry? Past continuous, right? Okay. So that is on page 13. So we were talking about past continuous. So we already read the sentences here. Was looking at the TV screen and were quietly holding hands and smiling. So from these two sentences, which describe after he took the photo? I'm sorry? Page 16? Okay. One dark October evening. Alright. So, time sequencers and I think we did not finish yet. Past continuous. Yes. Or did we finish also the recording about the continuation of the image that cost a fortune? Oh, yes. Okay. So what is time sequencer and connectors? What is time sequencers and connectors? Time sequencers. Yeah, so what is time sequencers and connectors? What do you remember about time sequencers and connectors? You don't remember? So as you can see, we have there the examples of time sequencers. So that is after that, next day, one evening in October, suddenly, 2 minutes later, and when. So those are examples of time sequencers. So from these examples, what do you think does it do? So this is to from the word sequencer. What does sequencer? Sequence. What does sequence mean? No, not the classic of time. So it is the order of events. Okay? So we used time sequencers to use it to order the events, okay, of a story. Okay? Alright, so we have here the story of one dark October evening. So you're going to complete the story, okay, with the time sequencers, the one we mentioned. So number one is 2 minutes later. How about number two? So read it first and then put your answers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm sorry? One evening in October. Okay, next. Number three. After that. Okay. Number four is next day. Okay. Suddenly, number five. All right. And number six is Number 5, when. And number 6 is suddenly, since that is the only left choice. Okay. So I will be sending you the recording about this one. And let's check if your answers are correct. Okay? Alright. 1.45. Okay. Alright, do you have it? So do you know when to use this time sequencers? After that, next day, suddenly, 2 minutes later, and when? Okay, so we use the time sequencer. After that, when? When do we use this after that? When you are doing something and then like it's next, okay? So same with when you use it, it means next, okay? The next thing you did, okay? And then next day, so it's pretty obvious when to use this one. So for example, today you went to, you've learned time sequencers, and the next day, so meaning tomorrow, you're going to learn another topic, okay? And the use of date, one evening in October, suddenly means suddenly. So we use suddenly. When do we use suddenly? When something happened in that moment, at the moment, okay? And then 2 minutes later, okay? And then when. All right? So those are time sequencers, and we do also have more examples of time sequencers. So we will talk about that later on as we go through with this book. So let's answer first letter B. So why did Hannah go and speak to Jamie? Why did Hannah go and speak to Jamie? Yes. The music where? Yeah, so what did I tell you before? When you are answering a question, don't read what is written there. So you have to answer with what you understood, right? Okay.